Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce 10.1-inch IPS touchscreen special for Toyota Hilux 2016 to 2018 years. Okay, let me unbox the review. Let me find a knife to open the box. Okay. It's very big box. Okay, let me show the units. There is a head unit and special harness. It's a very big head unit. Let me introduce harness set first. Okay, you can check this special harness. This connector connect back of our head unit. Okay. This canvas box. Those connectors can check. Let me check. This radio antenna. Okay, and this power, this speaker. Okay, and the two this is for the original backup camera. Okay, this connector, AUX input left and right. Okay. Okay, let me show the wire. This wire K2 for steering wheel control. This is GND like this ground wire. Okay, this is steering wheel control K2. K2 and K1. This K1 and K2 for steering wheel. This is power AMP 12 voltage. Okay, this is special harness. Okay, it will come with GPS antenna. This GPS antenna, external microphone, original USB, okay, this camera input, camera in, this AUX input, left and right, AUX input left and right, and this video input. Okay, this audio cable, subwoofer, this video out 1 and video out 2, this AUX out front and rear, left and right. Okay, let me show the head unit. Okay, you can check there is USB cable, 2 USB cable and external microphone. And you can check this head unit. Front, there reset hole, built-in microphone. Okay, 10.1 inch IPS touchscreen. Can check that. Okay, and the back, this GPS, power fuse, these connectors, this radio port, this Wi-Fi. Okay, let me power 12 voltage. Okay, button color will be light. This is Pi system. It's very big head unit. Okay. Please take out this screw protector before using. This is built-in microphone and reset hole, this button color, and this UI interface. This taskbar, you can change brightness. This radio. Very fast response. Okay, let me show the all apps. It supports video out. And built-in Play Store, built-in Google Maps. Let me check the settings. It's built-in Wi-Fi and support hotspots from your phone. But machine you can check MCU version and CPU. This Octa core, memory size 4 GB. It's Android 9 Pie system. Okay. Now we're back. Okay. That's all. If you have any more questions, please contact us. Okay, thank you.